Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss visualizing solid objects. Do this. How many cubes? Sometimes you look at combined shapes, some of them may be hidden from your view. Here are some activities you could try in your free time to help you visualize some solid objects and how they look. Take some cubes and arrange them as shown in figure 15.16. Ask your friends to guess how many cubes there are when observed from the view shown by the arrow mark. This is front view, this is side view, and this is in this side. Try to guess the number of cubes in the following arrangements. You have to find the number of cubes. You have to find the number of cubes here and number of cubes here, right? Such visualization is very helpful. Suppose you form a cuboid by joining such cubes. You'll be able to guess what the length and breadth and height of the cuboid would be. If two cubes of dimension 2 cm by 2 cm by 2 cm are placed side by side, what would be the dimension of the resulting cuboid? As you can see, when you kept side by side, the length is only measurement which increases. It becomes 2 plus 2 is 4, and breadth is 2 cm and height is 2 cm. Two dice are placed side by side as shown. Can you say what the total would be on the face opposite to 5 plus 6? Right? Opposite to 4 plus 3. Remember that in a die, the sum of numbers opposite faces is 7 always. The opposite of 5 is number 2, and the opposite 6 is number 1. This 2 plus 1 is 3. What is the opposite on these faces? 4 plus 3. The opposite of 4 is 3, and the opposite of 3 is 4. That is, sum is 7. 3 cubes with each 2 cm edge are placed side by side to form a cuboid. Try to make an oblique sketch and say what could be its length, breadth, and height. Viewing different objects of a solid. Now let us see how an object which is in 3D can be viewed in different ways. One way to view an object is by cutting or slicing game, or cutting by slicing or cutting. Slicing game. Here is a loaf of bread. It is like a cuboid with a square face. You slice it with a knife. When you give a vertical cut, you get several pieces as shown in the figure 15.20. Each face of the piece is a square. We call this face a cross section of the whole bread. The cross section is nearly a square in this case. Therefore, if your cut is not vertical, you may get a different cross section. Think about it. The boundary of cross section you obtain is a plane curve. Do you notice it? A kitchen fillet. Have you noticed cross sections of some vegetables when they are cut for the purpose of cooking in the kitchen? Observe the various slices and get aware of the shapes that result as cross sections. Play this. Make clay or plasticine models of the following solids and make vertical or horizontal cuts. Draw rough sketches of the cross section you obtain. Name them whenever you can. You have to find the cross section. If you cross section in this way, it will be a rectangle. If you cross section in this way, you get a circle, right? And you can get different shapes of this cross section, either horizontal or vertical, right? Dear friends, next we will do the exercises of the problem. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.